In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning outline text layer effect in Canva. In order to make outline text layer effect in Canva, search for your Instagram post here. Instagram post square. Then you click on it. Click on the create blank. Then select your background. There's a particular background that I have on the uploads. Then I make use of this. The next thing, you click on the three dotted line we're having at the upper side there. Then you look for set image as background. From there, you click on the page, then look for effects. From there, click on blur. Then click on the whole image at the upper side there. The intensity, fix it for 45. It's okay this way. Then come to the adjust. For the saturation, I will have it for 37. Then the sharpness, I will fix that for 50. Then the clarity for 57. You insert the picture you want to make use of on the design. Then you go to your elements or probably your uploads. From there, you click on the photo you want to make use of. You can see that the background of this very particular image has been removed. Then you click on it. Crop the image. Then try to crop the image. Then you increase it. You increase the size. Okay. I will try to crop it a little bit. Let me still increase it a little bit. Okay. This is okay this way. Then the next thing, you come to the bottom here. Then you click on T where we're having text under it. Then you click on add the heading. From there, you type yoga. Then from there, you come to the color palette here. Then you click on white. In order to change it to white, then you need to increase the size of the text. Then fix it this way. Then the next thing, you change the font type. You click on the font at the bottom here. Then you look for Montserrat, click on it. Then you click on the arrow that faces up here. Then the Montserrat family, you will need to select the particular one you prefer. Then click on extra bold. This is it. Then you can still decrease the size of the text a little bit. Okay. Then you click on the text to duplicate it. Click on duplicate. Then you bring this here. Then you look for the effect at the bottom side there. Click on it. Then look for Olu. Click on Olu. Then click on it again. For the thickness, you reduce it to probably 5 minus 5. This is okay. Then the next thing, you will need to fix this on the first one. From there, you come to the bottom here, then you look for layers. Then this very particular image, you will need to fix it somewhere here. Okay, this is very awesome. Look at it. You can see the outline text layer effect in Canva. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you will need to come to the element. Then on the search element, look for light. Then you click on graphics. You can now choose any one you prefer. Then you click on this. From there, you crop it. Then fix it somewhere here. Okay. Then you come to the adjustment. Click on it at the bottom here. Then the clarity, try to reduce it minus 64. The sharpness, do this as well. The saturation, the same thing with this. The next thing you are going to do, you come to the layers at the bottom here. Then click on it. Then you take the image. So you fix it here in order to have it at the back of the picture. This is how to go about this. Then the next thing you are going to do, click on text. Then you click on add a heading. And we need to type peace is found in stillness. Okay, the write-up I want here. Then I will need to reduce it a little bit. Then make it this way. Stillness. Then you will need to change the font type. Click on it. The font at the bottom side. Then I will need to change the font type to Amsterdam. Here it is. I want it here. The next thing, you click on this. Then you duplicate. Bring it here. Then you can insert this. So the next thing, you will need to reduce the size. Fix it here. Be at peace. Then you can still work on the outline text layer effect. Then click on it. From there, come to the bottom here. Click on effects. Click on holo. The thickness, fix it for minus 35. It's okay this way. Then for the background, you click on it as well to work on it. To still do some adjustment on it, click on adjust. Make the saturation minus 50. It's okay this way. This is how to create outline text layer effect in Canva. If you have found this very particular video useful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.